Good morning, guys. Thanks for tuning in. For today's videos, we're gonna go ahead and try and hook up this smart battery charger for the bobber. We never really got to introduce the bobber yet, but this is a 2007 Yamaha vstar 650. I wanted to ride a few days ago, but it was dead, so I went and ordered a smart battery charger from Amazon. It's this little guy right here, definitely made in China. Whoop whoop. But it's all good. It looks like a Shiba emblem. First thing you want to do, of course, is make sure the bike is off. And there's a cover right here that I took off. It just needs an Allen wrench, and the rest is just pop-on pins. So just take that off, and it's going to expose your battery. You got your positive and negative right there. And as for the contents of the box, we got the actual tether, the jump cables, and the actual charger itself. So we're going to go ahead and put those things on. The quality of it is not too bad. I mean, as you can see here, I kind of already broke this little piece right here, but I don't think it does anything significant. As for the charger, sure, normal plastic charger. I haven't plugged it in, so we'll see how it does later. So all you really need for this is, like I said, that Allen wrench right here to take the cover off. We got a few Phillips, and we're gonna go ahead and do a positive and negative. It's color coded, so red on red, black on black, black first, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got the tether on there. Hook this up and hook the other side up right here. Just make sure the key is off and you start with the negative first. But it'll be just like this. Then we'll get a few zip ties and clean it up, tuck it in. Just make sure this part right here is kind of popping out, just so it's easy access right there. But other than that, let's clean this up and put the cover back on. Alright, so I got the cover back on. There's a little rubber grommet right here, and on the top right, you just push it in and then put the Allen wrench back in. Make sure it's snugged and secure. What I did was I just had it right here, which is probably a bad spot because the exhaust is right here, but I'll see if I can try and move that later on. But that's what I have it at right now. So now I'm gonna get the actual charger out. This guy, and plug it in and let it charge for a bit and then see if it starts. Alright, I got some power to this thing. As you can see, it's charging. I'm not sure if it's charging it really, but we'll find out in a little bit. In fact, I'll go ahead and try and start it now. Let's try it out. Nope, I got nothing. So let's go ahead and leave that for a bit. So after charging for about 20 minutes, it finally started. So my friend Cisco's bike's here too. We got a couple of things to do on this bike, but we'll get them done. But they're both good. But we'll go ahead and test drive it for a little bit, and hopefully it starts when I turn it off. So like I said a while ago, I was kind of scared because the exhaust is right here, and it actually melted it. So I'm probably gonna have to order another one. Alright, so that was definitely a wrong spot. Lesson learned. Is definitely just totally burnt. I'm not sure if it's exposed the wire, but I'll probably just end up getting another one. For now, it charged the battery, so it started. I'm probably gonna put it right here instead of down there near the exhaust. But so far, it's all good. We got a couple idling issues with my friend's bike here. We're gonna go get it taken care of so we can get some ride time tomorrow, some seat time. This is my friend Cisco. He's a man. But he's off and I'm not, so I gotta get ready for work.